Daily Slow English.
Hello, everyone. Ready to stop worrying and start speaking English? Today, we will learn English through 5 essential real-life conversations. We will practice traveling, buying medicine, finding the airport check-in, shopping at the supermarket, returning a product, and asking for directions. Before we begin, I have a question. What does the word drowsy mean? Listen carefully to find the answer. Please write it in the comments below. Okay, let's begin with situation number 1. First time traveling.
Excuse me, do you speak English?
Yes, I do. Do you need help?
Yes, please. This is my first time traveling alone, and I feel a little lost.
That's okay. Traveling in a new country can feel confusing at first.
Yes, everyone is speaking so fast. I understand some words, but not everything.
That's completely normal. You don't need perfect English, just simple, clear sentences.
Really? Because I'm afraid of making mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning. People will still understand you.
I hope so. I need to check in for my flight, find a taxi, and go to my hotel.
Great. Those are real-life situations. You'll have many small conversations.
That's what makes me nervous, conversations.
Don't worry. Most travel conversations use easy, everyday English.
Like what?
Asking for help, understanding prices, directions, tickets, hotel rooms, simple things.
That sounds helpful, but what if I don't understand a word?
You can say, "Sorry, what does that mean?" Or you can say, "Can you say that again?"
Oh, that's useful. So I can ask people to repeat?
Of course. That's very common. Even native speakers do that.
I thought people would get annoyed.
No, most people are happy to help visitors. Just be polite and smile.
That makes me feel better already.
Good. Think of each conversation as practice, not a test.
I like that.
By the end of your trip, you'll feel much more confident speaking English.
I really hope so.
You will. Just listen, repeat, and try. That's the best way to learn.
Okay, I'm ready to try.
Great. Let's start with your first real conversation.
Situation number 2. At the pharmacy. Let's learn about medicine.
Hi, excuse me. I need help choosing some medicine.
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
I have a cold, but I don't know what to take.
Okay, I'll ask a few questions. Do you have a fever?
Sorry. What does fever mean?
Fever means your body temperature is high. You feel very hot.
Oh, I see. No, I don't feel very hot.
All right. Do you have a cough?
Yes, I do.
Is it a dry cough or do you have mucus?
Mucus? I'm not sure what that is.
Mucus is thick liquid from your throat or nose when you are sick.
Ah, yes. I have that when I cough.
Understood. Do you also have a sore throat?
Sore throat. Does that mean pain in the throat?
Exactly. pain or irritation when you swallow?
Then yes, a little. Thanks.
These are common cold symptoms. Symptoms are signs that show you are sick.
Okay, I understand.
I recommend this cold syrup. It helps with cough and throat pain.
Syrup means liquid medicine, right?
Yes, you drink it instead of swallowing a pill.
How often should I take it?
Every 6 hours. That means 4 times a day.
Should I take it before food or after food?
After food is better for your stomach.
Will it make me sleepy?
Yes, it may make you drowsy. Drowsy means sleepy.
Correct. Correct. I have work tomorrow. Is there a non-drowsy one?
Yes. This one won't make you sleepy.
Great. I'll take that one.
Also, drink warm water and rest. If you feel bad, see a doctor.
I will. Thank you for explaining everything. Thanks again.
Situation number 3. Finding the check-in counter at the airport.
Excuse me? Can you help me for a moment?
Of course. What do you need, sir?
I'm flying to Chicago, but I can't find the check-in counter.
No problem. Which airline are you flying with?
I'm not sure how to say it. It's written here.
Ah, United Airlines. You need Terminal B.
Terminal B? What does terminal mean?
A terminal is a building in the airport where flights arrive and leave.
Oh, so Terminal B is another building. How do I get to Terminal B?
Yes, exactly. You can take the airport train. It's free.
Free train inside the airport?
Yes. Just follow the signs that say airport train.
How long does it take?
About 5 minutes. It's very quick. And after you arrive, look for the departures sign and the United Airlines counters.
Departures means flights leaving, right?
Exactly. Arrivals are flight landing. Departures are leaving.
Thank you. I was worried. I will go now.
You still have time. You're very welcome. Have a great flight.
Situation number 4. At the supermarket. Let's go buy some food.
Excuse me, can you help me find something?
Of course. What are you looking for?
Baking soda. I walked around twice and still can't see it.
No problem. It's a little hidden. It's in the baking section, near the flour and sugar.
Oh, I was looking near the spices.
Easy mistake. Baking soda is usually with baking ingredients.
That makes sense. I'm making cookies.
Nice. Chocolate chip? Do you have vanilla extract too?
Vanilla extract? I'm not sure.
It's a liquid that adds flavor. Small brown bottle.
Oh, I saw tiny bottles near the flower.
That's it. You'll only need a little.
Good, because they looked expensive.
Yeah, but one bottle lasts a long time.
Great tip. Actually, where's the butter?
In the dairy section, at the back of the store.
Clarifying. Dairy section. That's milk and cheese too, right?
Exactly. Butter is in the cold refrigerators.
Perfect. I really appreciate your help.
No problem at all. Good luck with the cookies.
Thanks. Enjoy your day.
And our last situation for today. Returning a product at the store.
Hi there. I'd like to return these headphones. I bought them yesterday.
I see. What seems to be the issue?
They are defective. The left side doesn't play any sound.
Okay. Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, here it is. I paid with a credit card.
Thank you. I see the box is open. Is that right?
Yes, it is open. Is that a problem?
Since the item is faulty, an open box is fine. Would you like an exchange for a new pair or a full refund?
Actually, I think I'd prefer a refund.
Since you paid by card, I will put the money back onto your account.
Okay.
It usually takes 3 to 5 business days to show up.
Business days, so not on the weekend.
Correct. Business days are Monday through Friday.
Can I get a store credit instead? I want to buy something today.
Yes, a store credit is immediate. Here is a gift card for the total amount.
That sounds perfect. Thank you for making this so easy.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Have a great day.
You did a great job today. You learned how to ask for help, buy medicine, and return items. Remember, making mistakes is part of learning. Do not be afraid to speak. In part 2, we will survive situations at the hotel and the restaurant. Click the link on the screen to watch it now. Please subscribe and like this video. See you in part 2. Goodbye.
Daily Slow English.